simultaneous equations, I need to eliminate either C or D. To do this, I need to get either the coefficient of C the same or the coefficient of D the same. I can see straight away that if I multiplied this equation by 2, the coefficient of C would be 12, and if I multiplied this equation by 3, the coefficient of C would be 12. There are lots of different ways of getting the coefficients the same. I'm just going to do it this way. I'm going to call the first equation 1 and the second equation 2. I'm now going to multiply equation number 1 by 2 and equation number 2 by 3. I get 12C minus 4D equals 66, and 12C plus 9D equals 27. To eliminate C, I need to take this equation away from this equation. So 12C subtract 12C gives me nothing. Minus 4D minus 9D gives me minus 13D. And 66 minus 27 gives me 39. I can now work out what D is. D is 39 divided by minus 13. So D is minus 3. I now need to use my value for D to calculate C. What I'm going to do is substitute the value for D into this first equation. So I have 6C minus 2 times minus 3 equals 33. This is 6C plus 6 equals 33. So 6C is 27. Solving this for C gives me 27 over 6, which gives me the value 4.5. So we have our two answers, D equals minus 3 and C equals 4.5. In this second example, I can see that it would be quickest to eliminate y because the coefficient of y is already the same. To eliminate y, I need to add these two equations together. Adding them gives me 7x, then 3y add minus 3y gives me nothing, and 9 add 12 gives me 21. If 7x is 21, x is equal to 3. To find y, I substitute my value for x into one of these two equations. I'm going to choose the first one. I have 15 plus 3y equals 9. This gives me that 3y equals minus 6, so y is minus 2. I now have my two solutions, x equals 3 and y equals minus 2. Question for you to try. Press pause and have a go at it. When you're ready to see the answers, press play. There are many different ways you could get these answers. I've multiplied the first equation by 3 and I've multiplied the second equation by 1, which has effectively left it as it is. I'm then going to eliminate x by subtracting. This gives me the answer y equals 1. Substitute this into the first equation and I get the answer x equals 4. Here's a second question for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready for the answers, press play. So on this one, I've multiplied the first equation by 2 to make the coefficient of y 8, and I've left the second equation the same again. Then, because this one is add and this one is minus, I'm going to add them together. This will eliminate y, giving me 5x is 15, so x is 3. I'm going to substitute this into the first equation, which gives me the value of y as 0.5. Here are 6 more questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go at them. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers.